Welcome to the Design Classroom. Today, we're diving into the Expression Edit feature. This tool lets you fine-tune any character's facial expressions effortlessly, whether it's adjusting the tilt of the head, the openness of the eyes, or even lifting just one corner of the mouth for a subtle smirk. Sounds cool, right? So, how do we use it? Let's check it out. There are two ways to access this feature. Layer Toolbar. To begin, use the Quick Access button at the top of the canvas. Make sure you have an image on your canvas, select it, and then click Expression Edit. Second, Global Sidebar. Head over to the Face Kit in the toolbar on the left side of the canvas. Open Expression Edit, select an image you've uploaded, and you're ready to start editing. Now, you've entered the Expression Edit interface, and you're all set to start editing expressions. Once you open the Expression Edit mode, you'll see a pop-up panel on the left. This is where you can tweak and customize facial expressions however you like. Now, let's start with eye openness. This slider controls how open or closed the eyes are. If you slide it all the way to the left, the eyes will be completely closed. Move it to the right, and they'll gradually open wider. And if you ever want to reset everything to the original look, just hit the Reset button. It's that simple. The lip openness slider works the exact same way. Sliding it to the left keeps the mouth fully closed. Moving it to the right gradually opens the mouth, eventually revealing the teeth. If you want to adjust the head's position, this is where you do it. Head pitch controls whether the head tilts up or down. Moving it left tilts the head upward, while moving it right tilts it downward. Head yaw adjusts the direction the face is turned. Slide it left to turn the face left, or right to turn it right. Head roll lets you tilt the head sideways, either to the left or right, adding a more natural pose. Now, let's fine-tune the mouth to get just the right look. Pouting allows you to adjust one side of the lips, pressing either the left or right corner inward. Pursing changes how wide or narrow the mouth is. Move it left to stretch the lips horizontally, or right to make them rounder. Grin controls the curvature of the smile lines, making them more or less pronounced. Smile lets you adjust how much the corners of the mouth lift, whether it's just a subtle smirk or a big, cheerful grin. Roundness changes the overall shape of the mouth. Move it left for a tight-lipped look, or right for a more open, rounded shape. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between roundness and lip openness? Well, here's the key difference. Roundness only changes the shape of the lips. Lip openness controls both how wide the mouth opens and how much of the teeth are visible. Next, we have eye and eyebrow adjustments, which can add a lot of personality to the expression. Horizontal and vertical eye gaze let you move the eyeballs left, right, up, or down, changing where the character is looking. Eyebrow position lets you raise or lower the eyebrows. Move it left to furrow the brows for a serious look, or move it right to lift them for a surprised or curious expression. And of course, if you want to add a fun wink, it's super easy. Just edit the settings and you're good to go. After editing your preferred expression, just click Place on Canvas to save it to the canvas. Now that you know how to tweak facial expressions, go ahead and play around with it. Upload a photo, experiment with the sliders, and see what kind of expressions you can create. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cool tutorials. See you next time!